Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this moon crescent keychain. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This was our basic round, foundation round. Now for the second round, see, we will use back thread. See, this back thread of every single stitch. Okay, so we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and both stitches we are going to make in only using back thread of every single stitch. So for second round, pattern is 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and just by using back thread of every single stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. It is in that I have given very slow demonstration, and quite easily I have explained it, of course with written notes. So please do refer that video, and it's quite easy to understand. See, I have completed my second round also. Now as usual we will close this round, complete this round by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now we make third round, and pattern for that third round is going to be the same again. We will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and that also using only back loop of every single stitch. So see, like we make 2 double crochet stitches, and we have to do in every single stitch we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using only back loop. I'll just complete this. Now see, here we are done. Now we will first join the first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So a round is complete now. Here we join it with the slip stitch. Okay, here we are done. Now we will fold it in middle. We'll fold this circle in middle. See, we get a semicircle like this. Okay, and now this two borders we will join it. So which stitches are coming opposite to or parallelly opposite to one another, so we will join those two stitches using one single crochet stitch. See, we will insert a needle from one stitch, and from another stitch, like 2 parallel stitches, we will insert a needle from 2 parallel stitches, grab the yarn, pull through, and make a single crochet stitch. Again we will insert a needle from one stitch of this side, and parallelly opposite one stitch from other side. See, grab the yarn and pull through from and make a single crochet stitch. In similar fashion we are going to join all the stitches, so we get a moon crescent form. Okay, so I'll just complete this thing and I'll show you. Needle I'm using is 2.5 mm. As usual, you will be starting with slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, I will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now I will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Needle I'm using is of 2.5 mm. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, it is 2.5 mm needle. Okay. Now due to joining those first and last stitch, we get a small tiny circle in between. It is small but it's big enough for a needle to pass through. Now we will yarn over, and please don't take that small free end of the yarn into your stitches. Now first we will make a chain crochet stitch, then we will yarn over, insert a needle from that tiny circle. Okay, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. Okay, again we will yarn over, insert a needle from the tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for how to make a half double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. You people can refer it. It's with written notes, slow demonstration is given, so quite easy to understand. Okay, the way we are making a half double crochet stitches, each time passing a needle from that tiny circle, we have to make 10 half double crochet stitches. Okay, I'll just show you 10 half double crochet stitches. We are almost done. There we complete our last stitch also. Okay, now we will join our first stitch and last stitch with the slip stitch, and our rosy cheek is done. Following similar pattern, you have to make another one also, exactly same. Okay, now pull that small end, free end of the yarn, pull it hard, so your middle gap is like packed completely and you get a solid small circle. This is how we make rosy cheeks. So this is how a final crochet moon crescent keychain looks like. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share, and those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you, thanks a lot, thank you so much. And those who have not yet subscribed, I will request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of crochet tutorial videos. And you have liked the video, please like, comment and share, and please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.